Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum to all my dear students. I hope you will be fine and enjoying at your home. My name is Zubia and I'm going to teach you computer of grade 2. And today our topic is computer hardware. Okay, I know that now it will come in your mind that in last week we also did the same topic, but I'm going to tell you that in last week I have tell you about some parts of computer, and today I'm going to tell you about some more parts of computer. Okay. But before starting our today's topic, I'm going to revise our previous topic. So in last week, we have studied about computer hardware. Now, what is computer hardware? Computer hardware is any part of computer that we can touch. And then we have learned about monitor and CPU last week. Okay, now I'm going to my today's topic. Look at this picture. What's going on here? Here a boy is using computer. Excellent. But look clearly what the boy is doing. He is typing. Typing on what? Typing on keyboard. So he is using keyboard in this picture. So our today's topic is keyboard. Now what is keyboard? Keyboard is used to enter data into the computer. It tells computer what to do. Okay. Whatever work you want to do into the computer, if you want to write something, then without a keyboard it is impossible for you to write anything, because keyboard carries so many keys in it with the help of which you can type easily. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about some types of keyboard. There are different types of I'm going to tell you about some types of keys. There are different types of keys in keyboard. Alphabet keys, number keys, punctuation keys, and special keys. These all are the types of keys. Number one is alphabet key. As shown in name, that the keys which are used to write alphabets. If you want to write any alphabet, you will simply use alphabet key. Secondly, there are number keys. Number keys are used to write numbers, different numbers. Any number you want to write, you will simply use number keys. Okay, now look here. Before telling you about some more types of keys, I'm going to tell you about punctuation. What is punctuation? All the marks such as full stop, comma, and bracket used in writing to separate sentence are punctuation marks. As all of you use punctuation mark while doing your work in notebook and book, similarly, if you are doing your work in computer, you can also use these punctuation marks. Now, how can you use these punctuation marks? You can type any of these punctuation marks by punctuation keys. Punctuation keys are used to write different signs and symbols. Okay. Now, after punctuation keys, after alphabet, number, and punctuation keys, you can see in the picture of keyboard, which is given in page number 14 and 15 of your book. You can clearly see that along with alphabet keys, number keys, and punctuation keys, there are also some other keys present in the keyboard. What are these keys known as? These are known as special keys. Yes, special keys. Why we call them special keys? Because these keys perform special functions. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about some special keys. Okay, enter key. As you all see in the picture of the keyboard, that there is a enter key present in the keyboard. Now, what is the function of this enter key? It is used to enter data, and it is used to move the cursor to the next line. For example, If you are typing something on the computer, if you have complete your first line and you want to go to the next line, how will you go to the next line? You will simply press the enter key and the cursor will automatically go to the next line. Is that clear? So this is the function of enter key. Now second one is backspace key. What is the function of backspace key? It is used to erase data. As while doing your homework or when you were doing any work at your classroom, definitely by mistake you can write something wrong. Then when then what will you do? If you will write something wrong, what will you do? You will simply erase it with the help of eraser. But if you have done something wrong while typing on computer, so no need to worry about it. You can also erase your work on computer by using the backspace key. Okay. Okay, now what are shift keys? There are two shift keys present in the keyboard. Now what are the function of these shift keys? We press the shift key and any letter key together to type the letter in capital. Okay. For example, if you want to write the name Ahmed, so definitely you will write it first letter capital. Then how will you make the first letter capital? You What you have to do? You have to press shift key and uh, a letter key together to make the letter A capital. Okay. Similarly, but uh, you can also use shift key to write any symbol. We press shift key and any number key together to type a symbol. Look at the picture which I have shown you here. Look at the picture. Look at the key number 1. In this key there is also a number 1, but there is also a symbol present in this key, which is an exclamatory sign. Let's suppose you want to type exclamatory sign. What will you do? You will type the shift key and 1 key together to type exclamatory sign. Okay. Okay, now here comes some more special keys like caps lock key. What is the function of caps lock key? We turn caps lock key on to type a word in capital letter. Okay, it means that by turning on the caps lock key, we can also type the letter capital. And when you will turn on the caps lock key, you will also show a light which will also turn on. It means that caps lock key is on. Now whatever you will type will come in a capital letter. Now again, if you want to close the caps lock key, you will what will you will do? You will again press the caps lock key and the light also will turn off. It means that now caps lock key is off. Now whatever you will type will not be written in capital letter. Okay, now what is the function of escape key? Escape key, you can see this key in the picture of keyboard on the top left side of the page. There is an escape key. The escape key is used to cancel or stop what is happening on the computer. You can cancel anything what you are doing. You can cancel specific or particular stuff, or you can stop a particular stuff by using escape key. Okay. Now open your book and look at the page number 14 and 15. Here they give us the picture of keyboard. Now I show you this picture in this form so you can understand it more clearly. Now look at the very first arrow which show us about number keys. This arrow is toward number keys. These are the number keys which are present on keyboard. Okay. After that, look at the second arrow which is toward alphabet keys. These all are alphabet keys which are present in the keyboard. Alphabet keys start from letter Q and it's end at letter M. These all are alphabet keys. After that, look at the third arrow, which tell us about punctuation keys. These all are punctuation keys, including question mark, brackets, plus sign, minus, comma, semicolon, full stop. These all are punctuation keys. After that, look at the last arrow, which show us about the special keys. And one more thing, you can easily differentiate special keys in this picture of keyboard. How? Because in this picture, all these special keys, um, mm, not all, but some of the special keys are in different color. Look here, backspace key is in green color, enter key is in pink color, caps lock key is in orange color, blue shift key is present 2 times in the keyboard, and both of the time the shift key is in blue color. Okay, now look at the keyboard clearly. Do you see escape key here? Yes, it is present on top left side of the keyboard. Here is escape key. And what is the function of escape key? You can easily cancel or stop anything you are doing on the computer. If you want to stop it, you will simply press escape key. Is it clear? Okay, now look at page number 14 of your book. Now I'm going to read this page, and all the stuff which is present in this page I have told you before, but I'm reading this page so you can read with me easily. But before reading, you have to write the date on the top of the page, and today is 7th July 2020, and today the day is Tuesday. Okay, now I'm going to start reading, and you have to read along with me. The keyboard. The keyboard is used to enter data into the computer. The keyboard tell us computer what to do. There are alphabet, number, and punctuation keys. There are also special keys that perform special jobs. Now look below the picture. They tell us about enter key and backspace key. The enter key is used to enter data and to move the cursor to the next line. The backspace key is used to erase data. Okay, now look at page number 15 of your book. There are two shift keys. We press the shift key and a letter key together to type the letter in capital. We press the shift key and a number key together to type a symbol. Okay, now look before the picture. What they tell us? They tell us about caps lock key and escape key. We turn the caps lock key on to type a word in capital letters. The escape key is used to cancel or stop what is happening on the computer. Okay, now here comes our homework. But before I will tell you about homework, I'm going to summarize my whole today's topic. And today we have learned about keyboard. And what we have learned that with the help of keyboard, we can type anything into the computer. Keyboard help us to enter data into the computer. Okay. The keyboard is used to enter data into the computer. It tells computer what to do. Then after that, I told you about some types of keys, that there are alphabet keys, number keys, punctuation keys, and special keys. Then I have told you about the function of these all keys. That alphabet key is used to type alphabets, number key is used to type number, punctuation key is used to type punctuation marks, and there are also some special keys with special functions. And like enter key is used to enter data and to move cursor to the next line. Backspace key is used to erase any data. Then along with shift key you can write a letter capital. Along with shift key uh, you can type any symbol. After that, I have told you about caps lock key, that with the help of caps lock key you can also write capital letter, and if you want to stop or cancel something, you will simply use escape key. Then I have shown you a picture of keyboard and also mention all the keys here specifically so you can easily differentiate among these keys. Then we have done the reading of page number 14 and 15, which is totally about keyboard. And now I'm going to give you a homework. So your homework is that you have to draw an arrow to show what function these keys perform. Okay, I'm going to tell you the name of these keys. As you have seen in the first picture, there is a key with number 5 and also shift key. The second one is escape key, third one is caps lock key, and fourth one is backspace key. And I have clearly told you about the function of all of these keys. So it is very easy for you now to draw an arrow, uh, um, draw an arrow from these keys toward their function. Okay, this is your first task. And your second task is that what you have to do, you have to take a blank white computer paper and you have to draw a picture of keyboard by watching the picture from your book, and you have to draw that picture on a blank computer paper and then paste that paper on page number 14 and 15. And look below, I have also show you the picture of white paper. You have simply placed the paper in this direction, which I have shown you in the picture. So you can easily draw the whole keyboard. Take the help from your book and draw the picture on this white page. And after drawing the picture, you will simply paste this picture on your book. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take care, stay safe, and stay at your homes.